Alright everyone, today I'm bringing you another way to unlock the pattern lock screen, as you can see on your Samsung M53, for those of you who forgot your password and can't remember it anymore. Remove your SIM card and your memory card because this procedure will erase everything stored on the device, okay? In some cases, you'll also need to connect a USB cable to your computer, but you don't need to download any programs, files, or anything like that. So try it out, use the cable, and try without the cable, and whichever way works for you, leave it in the comments to help other people. Our recommendation for using the cable is so that the phone enters recovery mode. Some models will only enter recovery mode if the cable is connected. And then go there and select the unlock option that I'm going to show you here. If you need to unlock your email and your Google account, in a bit I'll also explain how you can unlock your email and your Google account. Alright? So try it both with the cable and without the cable. Whichever way works, leave it in the comments so I can help other people too. You can leave the device on this emergency screen, connect the cable, press the volume down button and the power button at the same time. When it restarts, release the volume down and press the volume up. Did the Samsung logo appear on the screen? Release the power button and keep holding the button up there. Keep holding the volume up button until it enters recovery mode. I'll show you here to make it easier for you to do it there. Okay? Let's do it then. Volume down and power, just like we said. Keep holding until the device restarts. Just a few more seconds. Just a little longer. Now I release volume down and press volume up since it has already restarted. Now pay attention to the screen. Here on the phone screen. You can see the logo flashed. Keep holding both buttons. When the Samsung logo appears and doesn't disappear, release the power button, but keep holding the volume up here until it enters recovery mode. Okay guys? After this screen here, it should go into recovery mode already. Let's wait. As soon as it enters recovery mode, this is recovery mode, you can disconnect the cable. And now remember that this procedure also works for other Samsung models, okay? You're going to scroll down by pressing the volume down button until you reach the option that says Wipe Data Factory Reset. Confirm with the power button. Once again, confirm. Let's wait for this process to finish so we can continue with our unlocking. Just a few more seconds and we'll be able to move forward. Sometimes these processes require a little bit of extra time, but it's important to be patient and let everything complete properly. Just a little bit longer. Let's wait. Now confirm one more time, and at this point your device is already being unlocked, okay? If you also need to unlock your email and your Google account, as we mentioned, our number is in the description. We can do this unlocking remotely from anywhere you are. You can talk directly to me. If this video helped you, and if you can, within your means, make a contribution to our channel, our pics will also be in the video description. It doesn't matter how much, what matters is your help, your support, your gratitude. I hope I was able to help you. That was today's video. Thanks, take care.